So guys, today the 4th of, is it today 5th or 4th, is it?
5th September.
5th of September 2018, Mazezoke live from at the Eke Square, is it? Umanogwe Square. This is the Igbo. You see, when we talk about how our ancestors actually communicated, I call this the ancient telephone, because this is, you can see, like a human life, like a full-size body. Okay, so full-size body. You can see that. I think this is the female, right? And this is the male. This is the male here. We had these two. Now, what is happening here is that over time, the Christian fundamentalists, those I call the Christian Boko Harams, have actually invaded this place. You can see here inside they tried setting fire on it. And I think one there, I think there were two of it. They had these two. So I don't know, someone stole that. I don't believe it's one of the Christians. But again, this is a village square, and you can see there is a roof here. Okay, this thing is in here and it's been protected. This is one of the heritage that we ought to protect as Africans. But it's actually heartbreaking to see that we want to destroy the things we do not understand, the things our forefathers used. You know, when we had sanity, when we are still thinking, this was a means of communication. If the whole village needed to be summoned, this is what they will use. They will use this. It makes some sound, certain sound. Certain sound means certain communications. Okay, so it's aged. I think this. We got 100 years, have we?
More than
you see, it's over 100 years of age, and suddenly. Suddenly, one side I could go about one side, and suddenly people will come and tell us that this is evil. For Christ's sake, how is this evil? You actually need to appreciate the act here, the artwork. Eke, and this place in particular, is known for Ogene. If I zoom here, you will see this is a symbol of Ogene, and that is a symbol of the artwork. Now, exactly, and these are people who have learned without any foreign intervention the act of melting metal into what we call the metal gong, again. And as this is happening, you can see the symbol again in this way, telling a story. It beats me, and it beats me silly, really silly, to think that someone in this time and age can actually come in and wanting to destroy this. Someone will tell you this is the reason why that person is not progressing. It's absolutely bunkum, absolute rubbish, nonsense. See, nonsensical nonsense. Because we have to appreciate this. Actually, what we should be doing is to redo the roof, you know, put like a glass thing on it, make sure that this is oiled properly, in order to protect, to last, at least in the next 200-300 years. So that generations unborn will be proud of what their great-grandfathers were able to do. But rather than to do this, what we have the new generation of Christian fundamental terrorists to do is to go and destroy. The destruction of this in the African traditional or the Igbo traditional setting, for someone who is a Christian to destroy this, the person has committed the same crime that a Boko Haram does when he bombs a church, because it doesn't belong to you.
I'm fine.
And as long as the person is not in the same faith with you, you don't need to destroy. Tolerance is the key word. Once more, today, Wednesday, the 5th of September, 2018. Mazezoke, signing off. Peace, guys. So this is the side view. See? This is the this is male and female. This is the male.
The female.
See? The male.
Yeah.
Obukoichi. Obuichi. This is a sign of an aged. See? And this is the female. So basically, a sign of productivity, the male and the female. The male and the female. So let me see if I can get the whole place. So this is where it's been protected. Okay. Please, people, I'm begging us. Let's stop destroying things that we don't understand. Please, I'm begging us. Please, let's stop destroying the things left by us, by our ancestors. Please, please. Now beg, I beg. Thank you, guys. Bye.